Bill Nye, the iconic science communicator, has spent over 30 years using his screen presence to make complex ideas feel like a visual adventure. Through shows like Bill Nye the Science Guy, he turned boring lessons into eye-catching science fun for both kids and grown-ups. His energetic stage helped science grow from dull facts into a scene-filled journey full of wonder. Now, his curiosity is focused on the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, which shows how far our cosmic understanding has evolved. He says JWST's photos are more than pixels. They're light-painted stories that show us our place in the universe. This telescope, built with teamwork from NASA, Europe, and Canada, is an engineering masterpiece floating in the space scene. The mirror, 21 feet wide, is made of 18 gold-coated beryllium pieces that unfold like origami in the black skyscape of space. Unlike Hubble, which orbits Earth, JWST orbits the Sun at a place called Lagrange point 2 to keep its gaze steady. This point keeps the telescope in shadowed stillness, blocking light from Earth and letting it snap clearer cosmic images. JWST's real strength is infrared vision, which lets it look through dusty celestial scenes others can't. While visible light bounces off dust, infrared light slips through and reveals hidden space sites. JWST showed us a photo of SMA CSO 723, where galaxies bend light in a deep field image that captures thousands of galaxies. This scene is the size of a sand grain at arm's length, yet holds stories from over 13 billion years ago. Bill Nye calls this a time capsule, helping us see light that left early stars during the dawn of the universe. Some galaxies JWST captured existed only 300 million years after the Big Bang, marking the cosmic dawn. These ancient galaxies appear brighter and more organized than scientists had expected in previous space models. This twist means there might be unseen physical forces that shaped galaxies in early cosmic times. JWST is now helping rewrite science books with astonishing night sky truths. They found water, methane, and carbon dioxide, all vital for life in alien scenes. JWST also studied TRAPPIST-1, a red dwarf with 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 of which live in the habitable zone, the cozy spot where liquid water might exist. That turns these orbs into potential life worlds. 1. TRAPPIST-1e may have a thin atmosphere rich in carbon dioxide, possibly holding breathable air scenes on a rocky planet. Though it's not proof of life, it shows atmospheres can exist even near strong stellar energy. JWST also examines dying stars, like the glowing Southern Ring Nebula, a gas shell floating in a quiet space view. At its center sits a white dwarf, the cooling core of a collapsed star, fading for billions of years. Studying these colorful cloud scenes helps show how stars return material to the galaxy, seeding new stars and worlds. In the Orion Nebula, JWST revealed stellar nurseries and disks forming around young stars. These disks of gas and dust are birthplaces of planets, and some even show gaps made by newborn planets, giving us an almost direct scene of planet formation. Bill Nye believes this offers clues to Earth's birth, helping us picture how our solar system was once just a dusty cosmic sculpture slowly taking shape. JWST even watches stars die in bright supernova blasts, like SN2022A, where exploding stars throw elements like nickel and cobalt into space, spreading life-giving materials across the galactic scene. These elements form part of new planets, and without them, Earth wouldn't have iron in blood or calcium in bones. Bill Nye calls it stellar alchemy, where the universe recycles itself to give birth to life. JWST's mid-infrared tool called MIRI studied the Large Magellanic Cloud, a small companion galaxy. It showed dust warmed by young stars, offering a clear picture of galaxy life cycles from birth to decay. It also found PAHs, or polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, complex organic molecules that could be part of life's building blocks floating in deep space environments. JWST also peeks at black holes, like the one in quasar J171 plus 282, which is 12 billion times the mass of our Sun. How this colossal object formed so early is still one of cosmology's biggest mysteries. Some data suggest these black holes grew by eating gas and merging with others, but their fast growth still doesn't match known science. Nye notes how these discoveries make space feel like a shared universe stage for all. All JWST data is shared with the public, meaning anyone can discover something in these space photos. A high school student in India even found a dwarf galaxy in JWST's glowing deep sky scene. JWST's cryo-cooling system keeps its instruments at 267 degrees Celsius, just 6 degrees Celsius above absolute zero. It uses helium gas to remove heat, a process so delicate it's like balancing a pencil on the moon. If that system failed, the mission would end, but so far, it has worked better than expected. Its fuel was planned for 10 years, but thanks to a perfect launch, JWST could last 20 years or more. That means it can capture stars that will live longer than all of humanity, stretching across the grandest timeline of space history. Nye says that shows just how vast and endless our universe scene really is. JWST's cultural effect goes far beyond science. Its images have inspired poetry, music, and art, turning light data into sound waves in one composer's cosmic song project. That proves, Bill Nye says, that science and art are both ways humans reach for truth and beauty, crossing boundaries in the shared galaxy canvas of emotion and exploration. Some ask if we should spend billions on space adventures while Earth faces climate crises. But Nye believes the technology from space missions helps Earth too, like medical devices and weather predictions. He also says JWST has united 14 countries, proving that space science can inspire global cooperation, just like a team painting a masterpiece in the canvas of space. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.